Yo, it's a Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
So here we are, everyone, at the Coventry Christmas Market. Much smaller market, but still a good one. And it's got a lovely big wheel. So let's have a little adventure, have us explore. Let's find some food and some beer. Great looking Weatherspoons. If the bus moves out the way. Hats and scarves, jewellery, was a bit of everything on that one. All these cheeses. Is a pretty big wheel. It's essentially the whole of the Christmas market and a good tree. Manger scene hasn't even been set up yet. Come on, Jesus and the three wise men are all on the floor. Lady Godiva. Good looking bar. Pork, Yorkshire pudding, roast potatoes. So I found myself a Guinness and a Yorkshire pudding wrap. Flaming grill. It's good to see the bar does Guinness. Don't have to have any of those German beers. It's also nice the shop fronts have all got their Christmas lights up. It's a nice little square. Old school photo booths. Chocolate marshmallows. Chinese noodles, not sure how festive that is. sweet stall. So as I said, only a small market, but nice addition to Coventry city centre.
It's a Jack's life, pack your bags and it's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth.